guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and finding something to do. Hopefully I'm going to give you something to do right now. I want to talk to you guys today about something called dynamics. Dynamics, we have worked with them, but we haven't really named them yet. So dynamics are how it's the volume of your music. Is it soft? Is it loud? Is it in between? So we have worked on dynamics in our Hide the Sasquatch game, where you guys helped somebody find the Sasquatch using louds and softs as hot and cold, or cold and soft. What? That doesn't sound right. You get the idea. So today we're going to be talking about what the dynamics are actually called, and then I'm going to have you play some dynamics, so you'll need your instrument, along with some rhythms, okay? So first I want to go over P. If you see P in your music, which you have in your, definitely Abandoned Funhouse, and I think First Finger Rock as well, that stands for piano, and piano means soft. So how do we make piano? Well, there's two things that are going to do it. Do you know what they are? One thing has to do with this weight in the bow. We're going to use a light weight in our bow to make a soft sound. And the other one has to do with this. Or, that's right, speed. Okay? So we're going to decrease the speed. We're going to make it a slower speed for our bow, and we're going to make it light. So here was maybe what a piano would sound like. But of course, we can't really know what a piano is, a soft sound, if we don't know what a loud sound is. So I'm going to skip down to here for now. F stands for forte. If you see F in your music, that means loud. Okay, so F stands for loud, forte. Okay, loud, forte. So here is a scale that is in forte. Now, if we made piano, or soft, by decreasing the speed and decreasing the weight, what do you think we're going to do for forte? That's exactly right. How did you know that? Oh, you're a genius. We are going to increase the speed, we're going to make it faster, and we're going to increase the weight. We're going to make it heavier. So here's our forte scale. So that's our loud, our forte. Now in the middle you see an M. You're never going to see M by itself. You're going to see it either in front of a P or in front of an F, which makes it either mezzo, piano, or mezzo, forte. And mezzo stands for middle. So middle piano is going to be a little bit louder than piano, but a little bit softer than mezzo forte. Okay? And then you have mezzo forte, which is a little bit louder than mezzo piano, but a little bit softer than forte. So middle, our middle dynamic. So you'll see those by themselves too. I think that Abandoned Funhouse has some of those too. That's our middle dynamic. So here's mezzo piano. And our mezzo forte. And forte. Now guess what? There's even more that I didn't add already. We have an even quieter dynamic that is called pianissimo. Pianissimo. And it looks like this in your music. Double P. What do you think? Is it going to be louder than piano or softer? Exactly. You're so smart. It's going to be even softer then piano. Pianissimo. Okay? Guess what? There's another dynamic I didn't add yet. Two Fs. That means fortissimo. Say that with me. Fortissimo. So that's even louder than forte. So all together, here are the symbols. We have pianissimo, the quietest. Piano, quiet. Mezzo piano, medium or middle piano. Mezzo forte, middle forte. Forte, loud. And fortissimo, the loudest. For now. So here's what we have. Now, there's another dynamic marking in your music. It's in first finger rock, and it looks like this. I call it a couple things. It could be a less than symbol. It could be an alligator jaw. But this right here is called a crescendo. I'm going to say it again. Crescendo. Spelled like this. Any guesses as to what you think that means? That's right. It means to get gradually softer to louder. Now, what do you think if I did this? What would happen? Greater than symbol, backwards alligator. This means you're going to go from loud to soft, and it's called a decrescendo. They weren't very creative with the names for these. So, crescendo sounds like this. Now, what did you see that increased? Yes, keep going. That's right. I increased both the weight and the speed so that I could get up to a louder sound. I was going maybe from a piano to a forte. Now, I'll show you the opposite. A decrescendo. So I decreased my weight and my speed to make that decrescendo. So now we're going to try some. All right? I'm going to erase all of these.